Oh, hello everyone. So I'm back. I'm going to be doing a little bit of game development tonight. A new game in Game Maker. This is for the GM48, which I'm already 24 hours late starting into this. So I'll see what I can do in 24 hours for this GM48 competition. So let's go ahead and create a new game. Let's do Game Maker language. And L.D. Smith. So I have been thinking about. So the theme for this game jam is one shot. So I'm thinking about calling this UltraShot, where you like shoot a ball and the ball's got to go into these other containers, and the containers can like spin and do different things. Kind of thinking like Donkey Kong Country, and then after a set time, then it shoots off from those other ones. So I think that's a neat concept that I haven't ever really used before. Let's see, projects, and create a new folder. I'm going to call this UltraShot. I haven't done a game starting with a U yet. So UltraShot. Do a capital U. Yeah, so it's been a while. I mean, I did a Game Maker 2 game. Going to use Game Maker 2 again, which I used for the last GM48. So it's very similar to the regular Game Maker 1. But there are some different. Mostly it's a UI overhaul, I think. So first of all, I need a room. So here's room 0. Can I double click on that? There we go. So let me do an object. Actually, I need a sprite first. Sprite, create sprite. So I can either like draw it here, draw it in GIMP, or draw it in Inkscape. I may use Inkscape for this. Makes things a little bit cleaner. So, Inkscape is always very slow to start for some reason. I don't know why. So, I guess the first thing I'll do is a ball. So, that'll just be a regular circle. And hold control to make it uniform. Then I can set the fill to a gradient, and gradient, can I edit this? Radial gradient. Why can't I select the colors? It's just white and black. Linear gradient. Oh, maybe I need to click on, no? Stroke. Stroke can be black. Fill. Can I add a gradient? Oh, maybe I need to click edit. Edit gradient. Why isn't edit gradient working? Can I select colors? Yeah, I can select colors here. Solid colors. I don't know what color I want this. I guess it can be blue. So stroke, let's make it blue. That still looks black. Set stroke. Fill. Radial. So I'm going to do fill. Gradient. Edit gradient. Looks like there should be something pop up for editing gradient. See if I can zoom in a little bit here too. So fill. Is there a gradient tool here too? Edit fill. Well, that's kind of neat right there. stops. Oh, there's the... That's where I can change the angle. But I want radial. Can I get blue here? Three, 1. That can be wide or whatever. There we go. So I want this to be like up here. I guess that was good the way it was. There we go. So I'm going to save as projects, Ultra Ball, UltraShot. Just go ahead and create a raw folder. So this is going to be ball. So now I want to grab this and selection 210 by 210. Let's do 256 by 256. Then export as. Now I gotta go dig it up again. L.D. Smith. Projects. Ultra Ball. UltraShot. Keep calling it Ultra Ball. UltraShot. Raw. Ball.png. So then I think I'm going to have a shooter. I've got to press export. Always forget to do that. File, new. And let's make this red, I guess. Let's do a rectangle. There's like no control mouse wheel scrolls in. Let's make this one red. And do it like this. Gradient. Edit. It's weird how you gotta go up here to edit the gradient. So stop. This stop. Want to be red. Crud. Stop. Stop 5106. This can be yellow. So I really want... I wish there was like a circle at the end to make it look like a cannon. I think I can round it. Okay, yeah, so that's how I want it. I want it rounded there. So now I'm going to make a new rectangle. It doesn't have to be rounded like that. It's like this one, path, difference. Okay, so there's my cannon right there. Maybe I can fix up the... I always forget how to grab. There we go. How do I do that? It's like, click on the... So it's the little node clicker that actually changes the gradient. Okay, file, save as, cannon. So I want to select this, and let's do 256 again, if I can. Let's do 256, 312. Can always pull this in. 256 by 256. And I can edit this. Leave that like that. File, save, file, export. I wish this would remember the last place. It gets tiring. Always having to go through this. LD Smith. Could just type it. Projects. UltraShot. Raw. Canon. Save. So now I can go back here. This is going to be spur ball, import, raw ball. Okay. That sounds good to me. And then I need another sprite, create, import. Where's my oh, I didn't press export. That's the most annoying thing. It's like when you export as and you press save, it should save it. I shouldn't have to like press export after I pick the file name. That's really dumb. Okay. So this is spur cannon. Okay. I need a wall too. Save. File, new. Crud. This will be a straight rectangle. What color will the wall be? I guess the wall can be red or orangish, brown. That's a good color. There's the fill. Stroke. I'm gonna get my dropper, select this color, then make it a little bit darker. And actually, fill. Let's do. Wow, that's a little bit too dark. I want to do up like this. Wow, that's strange. How do I know which stop I'm on? Fill. Still don't understand how to edit these the right way. Stop one. Why is it so hard to edit these? This dark brown. I hate these names. Stop 5670 and stop 5672. It's like, how in the world am I supposed to know what that means? So I'm going to grab this color. No. Stroke. Why isn't it stroking to that color? I don't understand. That's not stroke. Stroke. Select this. Make it a little bit dark. Okay. Fill. It's this gradient. Edit. $56.70. $56.72. $56.70. Okay, that looks pretty good. So this needs to be 256 by 256. File, save as, block. Select this, export as, and I gotta find it again. E.L.E. Smith, projects, UltraShot, raw. This will be block, PNG. Sprites, create, spur block. Import. Always forget to do that. Export. Okay. Block. Yes. So now I need objects. So create object. OBJ ball. And sprite is spur ball. Okay. Objects, create, OBJ cannon, spur cannon, create, OBJ wall. And let's get the wall. Oh, block. OBJ block. Spur block. Okay. That should automatically save. And then let's go back to our room. How do I edit the room properties? Make this 1280 by 720. So I don't know if I want to have it where the user can control up and down, or have it automatically go up and down on its own. So got an object can't. Whoa, that's huge. I didn't mean for it to be that big. This is the ball. It's really big. Okay, object ball. It shouldn't be that big. Oh, where'd my room go? Okay, get rid of that. I want to rename this to room 00. Room 0. Layers room 0. Can I rename this? Room. Create room? Room 1. Room 1. How do I rename this? Rename. There we go. Call it level 0. It shouldn't be this tall. 200, 400. Well, I guess that's right. Sprite cannon. So I need to scale this down. Width 32 by 32. Apply. Now where did... Okay. There we go. There's my cannon. So I need to do the same with ball. Make this 32 by 32. Apply. Why does it keep going to this workspace 1? So annoying. There's my ball. Object block. Sprite block. Make this 32 by 32. Apply. Oh, I'm getting so sick of that. Quit going to workspace 1. Delete. Object block. Now how do I paint? Layers. Need a new layer. New tile layer. Walls. I want to stamp these walls. Tile set. How do I get rid of this? Instances. So, whoa. So I need a background image. File. New. File. Document properties. 1280 by 720. Why? So here's a box. 1280, 720. Put this at 0, 0. No, that's export. I need to be able to move the position of this. 0, 0, 1280, 720. So fill. Oh crud. I was going to do a spiral or something, but maybe not. Kind of want to have like 2 stops in this. Gradient. How do I edit this? How do I change this? P. Can I add a new spot? Is that a new stop? Yeah, it looks like it. So blue to white to blue or cyan. Crap. Cyan. There we go. Maybe that's a little bit too bright. File, save as, BKG. I'm going to export the whole page. D. Smith Projects, UltraShot, raw, bkg.png. So I'm going to background layer, sprites, create sprite, SPR, BKG, import. Oh, I didn't click the stupid button. Goodness. Export. I guess I could have did a PNG or something. Why is it so big? I don't need that big. 1280, 720. Export. Replace. Okay. So, background. Spur BKG. There we go. That looks pretty good. I don't know what the deal is with this, like, stray line is. Why can't I click on these? Oh, I'm in the background layer. I don't know what that stray line... Oh, it goes away if you zoom in. Maybe I need the ball a little bit smaller. I think I want the ball to be 16. Make this 16 by 16. Okay. Can I press play here? So now I need a goal area. Okay. File, save as, goal. Oh, I have a checkered board right here. Look at that. Is that a pattern fill? Checkered, yay. The stroke, I want it to be black. File, save. Grab this. So I want this to be 32 by 32. Be LD Smith Projects UltraShot Raw Goal. Sprite, create, import, crap, export, goal, yes. Oh, I need the background to be white there. Fill checkerboard. Use the node tool to adjust the position. Is this the node tool? What is the node tool? Crap. Pattern. Checkerboard. And change the blur. Oh, that's kind of cool. That's cool. Make a little Pac-Man. Object. Pattern. Objects to pattern. Crap. Great. Let's revert. Yeah, there we go. Revert. I just want the background to be real white instead of transparent white. Object, move to bottom. Okay. Oh, maybe that's it. Okay. 32, 32. File, save. Goal. That's still transparent. Crap. Wow. Checkerboard wide. Yeah, I don't see anywhere fill as pattern. Set last color. Last selected. Stroke. Fill. Set fill. Node tool. Position, scale, and rotation. What is the node tool? Is this the node tool? This doesn't look like the node tool. This shouldn't be this hard. I just want to set this to white. Okay. Inks, Escape, set, pattern, colors. Okay, this is what I need. Extensions, color, replace color. Wow, I don't want to do all that. Extensions, color, replace color. Replace color. Live preview. Wow. Colors. Replace. So if I just did FF, that replace it with red. Okay. That color's fine. Wow, she have to edit. So it's almost like I have to select this, duplicate. I want to fill this with what? Let's fill it with red. Start out with. $32. Try exporting this. Import. That looks different. That doesn't. Crap. Okay, that's what I want. There we go. Fill. How did these get merged together? There we go. They're like a tree. Where's all the items? Text. Why isn't there like a window menu? I want to see all objects. Why is that so hard? The layers. I just want to see all objects. There's like too many little icons. I just want to see all objects. 2 objects selected. Maybe I gotta view layers. Is that what I clicked? Oh, okay, layer. Layer 1. I want to see all objects in layer 1. Objects. Objects. There it is. That's what I want to see. Okay, now we're cooking. Now can I move this down? Path. Circle. White. Okay. It's like that. Get so sick of typing this. Projects. Goal. Save. Export. Be nice if there was an option that just said save on export, because you think that's what export would do. Okay, that's what I wanted. Thank you very much. Can I just set this to center? Center, center, middle center. Okay. So I need... Why do I... Why can't I see the stupid resources? There we go. So this is SPR goal. Objects. Create. OBJ goal. Why does it keep hiding my level? It's so frustrating. Why doesn't this show the picture? I hate it how it does the weird aliasing with the sprites. Just make it normal size, please. Just make this normal size. Zoom reset. There we go. Thank you. Goal. Okay. Object goal. Add event. Step. Start out simple here. Rotate. Game maker, rotate. Image angle gets F angle. Add step. No, create. F angle gets 0. Do I need semicolon? Yeah, I need semicolons. Step. F. I don't think there's like a delta time or anything in this. I think it's like constant. Add. Is there adding a sign? 2. Hey, it's rotating. Woo! Maybe it needs to go a little bit faster. Looks like a soccer ball almost. That's gonna really, it's gonna be really jerky. I bet. Yeah, that's a little bit too fast. Maybe 8. I need to figure out how to do like sparklies and everything with this, and like trails. Object cannon, add. Create. X gets 32. Y gets 720 divided by 2. Okay. Let's do 64. So, game maker. Actually, I should do a velocity. step. Vel Y gets 0. If keyboard check. Oh. VK up. Or keyboard check. Board W. I wish it would show matching braces. Oh, I guess you just gotta hover over it. Y and sign. Subtract and assign 1. Was it or? What's wrong? Got 0. Keyboard check, VK up. Or W. Keyboard check. Keyboard check pressed. Event object cannon. Go. Up. Keyboard check. Can I just do keyboard check? There we go. Excel Y gets 4. Excel Y. VK down. Vel Y. Vel Y. Y and sign Vel Y. Whoa. Oh no. Else Vel Y gets 0. This is a very simple movement. So I want to get rid of the ball. Maybe speed this up a little bit. So, step. If keyboard check VK space instance create XY OBJ ball. Instance create. Game maker create object instance. Instance create. Can shoot gets true. Can shoot gets false. Can shoot and STANC. What's wrong with this? Instance create 100 to 100 object ball. Why does it say unknown? Can I or keyboard check or W? Is it just one? Game maker. VK up or W. Keyboard check. Keyboard check, VK up, or keyboard check or W. Maybe it's double quotes? No. Or MD 65. Oh, I need an extra. Crap. VK. VKW? Ord. W. Why does that not work? Game Maker 2 Ord. Oh. It needs a double. Okay, there we go. There's up. So this needs an OR keyboard check ORD S.
Today we're out here with some big news about type 2 diabetes. You have type 2 diabetes, right? Yes. So let me ask you this. How does diabetes affect your health?
There's up, down.
It does. Type 2 diabetes can make you twice as likely to die from a cardiovascular event like a heart attack or stroke. And with heart disease, your risk is even higher. You know that? Yeah. But wait, there's good news for adults who have type 2 diabetes and heart disease. Jardiance is the only type 2 diabetes pill with a life-saving.
So I need to do the place meeting thing. If play, I think it's place meeting. Meeting place meeting. OBJ. X, Y, OBJ, wall, block. Do I use not? Plus VLY. So yeah, now I got my, yeah, so now it stops on the wall, but it may go through the ball. Oh no, that's perfect right there. See, I don't know if I want to have it where I can move left and right or not. It just seems like it takes a long time to move. I could add like acceleration later. I don't really want to deal with that right now. So if can shoot and keyboard check VK space, then I want to do instance create. Is that what it was? Instance create? Yeah. OBJ ball at X and Y. I don't know why that wasn't working. Maybe I forgot a semicolon or something. Unknown function or script instance create. I hate how like all these little things are a little bit different. Let's see here. Instance create game maker 2. See if that tells me. Game maker 2.
So, when aggravated nerves cause pain, our latest innovation can help. New Salon Plus Lidocaine Plus.
Instance create layer.
Salon Plus Lidocaine Plus starts to work on contact with one anesthetic that numbs nerves fast, plus a second anesthetic, maximum strength lidocaine. That's two powerful medicines.
One.
Calms nerves for hours. New Salon Plus Lidocaine Plus, a real plus when fighting pain. Also try Salon Plus Lidocaine Gel Patch.
Oh no! A non-existing object.
Signs tonight that the battle to retake the Syrian city of Raqqa is nearing the end. Nearly 100 ISIS fighters have reportedly surrendered to U.S.-led coalition forces. The Islamic State used Raqqa as a base.
OBJ ball.
The West. Hundreds of civilians have been fleeing the war-ravaged city.
I got this backwards.
It is now controlled by coalition forces.
XY 1 OBJ ball.
3 weeks after Hurricane Maria, much of Puerto Rico remains a disaster zone. Some residents are reportedly using water from hazardous waste sites. Only 64% of the island has access to clean drinking water. At least 48 deaths are now blamed on the storm, and the death toll is
Come on. Well, it's not crashing. That's a good sign.
It's a bout between the Scouts.
Create.
For the first time in its 100-year history, the Boy Scouts will begin accepting girls into its program. But why, you ask? Because they smell great.
Maybe I need to change this to instances.
They want to help nurture all young people and go shape the next generation of leaders. Well, that actually sounds nice. Unless you're the Girl Scouts, they nurture young people too, and they don't like the Boy Scouts stepping on their turf. The organization gave a scathing statement at ABC News. Quote, the Boy Scouts house is on fire instead of addressing
I
systemic
didn't like
injustice,
that.
sexual assault, financial mismanagement, efficient programming. BSA senior management pointed out accelerating the house.
Let's go ahead and just do that.
Don't mess with the Girl Scouts. I'm gonna buy more cookies just in case. But anyway, I don't have a horse. I don't have a horse in this race. I don't even have a horse. Shaping the next generation of leaders is a good thing, though.
Yeah, I'm not sure why it's not creating
Scouts.
the ball instance.
And I turned out fine. I think.
Instances. Oh, maybe it's putting it behind the back. I don't know.
Do you regret not joining the Boy Scouts as a kid? Do you find yourself struggling with things many other guys do with ease? Then you need to join Man Scouts. Each week you'll learn a sweet new skill, stuff that every grown-ass man should know how to do, including chop wood, drive stick shift, fix a toilet, dress your age, cook a steak, change a tire, build a shed, tie a tie, throw a ball, throw a punch, play poker, and change a diaper. And the best part of Man Scouts, each week you'll learn directly from our special guest instructors, including Clint Eastwood, Buzz Aldrin, Chuck Norris, David Ortiz, Denzel Washington, Lou Dobbs, Michael Jordan, Jackie Chan, Brett Favre, Liam Neeson, Tyrus, Kurt Russell, Dale Earnhardt Jr., The Brawny Man, and special guest, the 86 Mets. So don't delay, join Man Scouts today.
Oh, man. Why is this not creating an instance?
Guy who wrote that. We're Giants fan. San Francisco Giants. Cats. Yes. Does it matter whether girls join Boy Scouts, Boy Scouts join Girl
Yeah, I'm not understanding why instance create is not working here.
This whole shaping future generations thing, the only thing I learned the entire time is that Tina was not a true friend.
And I'm on Reddit. It must be something obvious. It's has been replicated with instance create depth and instance create layer, where you have to now give either a depth or a layer to the object to be added to.
Listen out. Tyrus. Huh? You can still say that. That is not considered harassment.
I was a Boy Scout, Troop 315. Mr. Cruz was my scoutmaster, and I was in a single-parent family who worked nights, so never saw her ass. And Boy Scouts was tremendous for me. And I learned a lot about what it is to
Well, how do I specify the layer?
I kind of have a stake in this. We did things with our Scoutmaster where
Is there like a get layer? Layer.
some of that stuff doesn't really work in downloads of iPads and stuff today, but still gets a little grit underneath your nails and teaches you.
How do I know what the layer ID is?
My concern is that I think the Girl Scouts offered the same thing.
Instances.
Boy Scouts because the goal was
It's depth 200.
the old lady across the street, you go to help her because that's what the job.
Walls, depth 100. Tiles, depth 0.
Concern is because I know that when we got Mr. Cruz went to Vegas,
Okay.
we were about to go on a 10-mile hike on our backpacks and earn.
So,
How that would have went if there was three.
what's the 3 2 slashes? Instance create depth
Pressure out and who's cool, which girls gonna like me better.
200 no 100 100 200 OBJ ball.
The same thing in Boy Scouts, but my thing is like I think in this situation, I think separate is better, just in terms of molding minds. But
What do you think?
I've been out the game for a minute.
Emily?
I think the saddest part to me is the fact that the Girl Scouts came out with
Oh, there it is. Yay. So did it add it to this layer? Add it to this layer? Why doesn't it show up here? Is it on the background layer? No. Instance? Why doesn't it show up? Is there a search? Object ball. I don't see object ball. Oh, it stopped. Or did it? I guess you don't get like real-time statistics in this. That's sort of unfortunate that there isn't like a debug. Oh, run. Is this debug? Debug. Maybe I'll get instance information now. Whoa. Oh, this is neat. So, objects. That's pretty cool. Object ball. Wow, this is pretty cool. I wish it would show. No, over here, does it show my ball? No. Debugger. Timeline scripts. Why doesn't it why doesn't it show the ball that I created? I don't understand this. Why doesn't it show the instance ball? Okay. And stop the debugger. Save. Okay, so now we're getting somewhere. So now I need to go to my object ball. Okay, first thing we need to do is set this to say x plus 16, y plus 16. So now my ball, add event. Go ahead and create val x gets, say, 10. Val y gets 0. Add event. And step. X, add and assign, val x, y, add and assign, val y. Yeah, oh wow. That's pretty cool. Look at that. I like all those instances. So That'd be a cool way to do like a ghosting effect or something. So I need to go back up here and do a if you can shoot or can shoot and you press space. So now you only shoot one. So ball step. If place meeting X, Y, OBJ wall, OBJ block. So here I need to destroy. Is it destroy? Is it instance destroy game maker? Instance destroy. Okay. Instance destroy. What is the name of this? Is it this or self or? Oh, and you call it without any parameters. I guess it'll destroy the current instance. Now, how do I do a global? Is that just like global dot something? Global dot tries, mistakes. What do I want to call this? I don't know if I want to have a set number of lives or just keep track of the number of mistakes. I'm going to do mistakes since I did that for my other games. Can I do plus plus? So on my create this, I'm going to do global dot I mistakes gets 0. Then I want to add, how do I add text? Fonts? Level 0. I wish there was like a debug. Is there a debug command? Debug. Log. Is there a print? Yeah, I don't. Let me look up how to write text. I've forgotten. I've always used like the little GML or whatever it is. The GUI way of doing it. Which I think there's a way to turn back to the old way. Level 0. Toggle. I remember getting some of the stuff that displays like a real headache. Game maker to display text. Draw text. There we go. That works. Make a new object. Call this Object. Score display. Add event. Step. Draw text at 5:12. 64. Score. Or mistakes. Oh, what's wrong with that? I didn't do like a set font or set color or any of that. Yeah. Set color? Color. I don't know if it's text. Color. Set up. Draw set color. Draw set color. Is it color black? Draw set color. C_black. Draw set alpha. So is one more transparent or less transparent? I think one is more opaque. Less transparent. No transparency. Why don't I see it? Do I got to set file or font? Is there a draw set font? Draw set font? There is a draw set font. Font. Default. So I'm going to go to fonts, create. Font, default. Now I get to pick a font. I want to go. See, the bad thing about this, I got to use a system font. I can't just select like a TTF file, which is kind of unfortunate. Let me go ahead and go here. E. Smith. Tools. Fonts. Pick one that starts with a U. That'll make it easier to remember. USA! Yay! That looks wide. Come on. Pull over! What does it say? Oh, I feel a crash coming on now. File, save project. Okay. I can go ahead and close Inkscape. Sure, it's got to be hogging a lot of memory. Save. 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 Maybe I should have lives. I don't know. Give player 3 lives or 5 lives. Yeah, I feel a crash coming on here. This is like really hogging a lot of memory. USA. UFO Hunter. 3D. 3D's got to be horrible. That doesn't look too bad. Or a regular UFO hunter.
You'd be stopping for more pills.
Uh,
The strength to stop tough pain for up to 12 hours with just one pill. Tylenol can't do that.
Ultra 911.
Also try to leave direct therapy with Pulse technology.
Umbrage. Okay, let's go view large icons. There we go. View extra large icons. Oh, I feel a crash coming on here. It's getting really slow. I don't know why this is so friggin' slow. Want something sort of futuristic, snazzy. That looks kind of cool. Ubuntu title. The UFO Hunter just looks too hard to read.
Only you can shout. To smell unique. To smell confident. To smell amazing. You got something. Smell like the best you. With Axe You.
Want something a little bit snazzy, but something that's legible.
Nice try. Try this one. Thank you. You can have go first.
That's kind of cool. Ultrasonic.
And you can set principal controls at home.
It's kind of cool.
Let's see if you can drill man this one.
Game on.
Let's do this.
Check the ratings, because some games are for kids, some aren't. Visit esrb.org.
Your dream home comes with a big wish list. A rooftop
Undercover.
closet. Big wishes mean a big budget.
That's kind of cool.
But not for these tiny home builders. Innovative designers Tyson and Michelle Spees pack in a lot of luxury. It's incredible. I do love the backsplash.
This is so cool. It's making dreams come true.
And the best part, home is where you park. This is amazing. All new Tiny Luxury. Thursday night at 9. Only on DIY Network.
I like that one. I'm gonna use that one. Undercover. I'm gonna copy. And also go ahead and install. But I also want to put it in the folder. Just in case I have to do... I'm sure I'm going to have to do screenshots and promotional stuff. And it'd be good to have it in the folder as well.
This week, Eminem, the poor man's insane clown posse, ripped President Trump in a freestyle
Go ahead and put it in here.
BET's Hip Hop Awards. Note that a freestyle rap is what you really
Close.
It featured the usual complaints. For one, that the president focuses on the wrong thing.
Under... Oh, it's already in here. Cool.
Reaction. When he attacks the NFL, so we focus on that. Instead of talking Puerto Rico with gun reform from Nevada. That sounds really familiar. I wonder if you heard that.
Maybe that's too hard to read. I don't know.
Slightly outrageous that he spent the entire weekend tweeting about the NFL while Puerto Rico is surrounded.
That's too hard to read.
Made the obvious joke. Racism's the only thing he's fantastic for. Because that's how he gets his off and he's orange. First off, Ford doesn't rhyme with orange. Nor was it original. Politics is the exact opposite. Especially when the rival team is a racist Clementine. Clementine is what they call orange. In Clementine land. I don't know what I've never had a Clementine before. I just know it's a baby orange.
Tangerine, buddy. You grew up in the East Coast.
It always takes me forever to find a font that I like. You know, it's Stato.
Included with a message to his fans.
That's kind of cool.
President. Any fan of mine who's a supporter of his,
Upheaval.
drawing in the sand a line, you're either for or against. And if you can't decide, I'll do it for you with this. Well, that was stupid. But they blurted it out. I know. But others are following his lead. So tonight
I kind of like that.
We went to the original M&M for comment.
Oh yeah, Ken. Words of wisdom. Drop that zero and keep it paid.
Serious? This?
Mm,
Tyrus, Eminem is like 46, I think, or 44. I mean, at this point, that's when a rapper becomes an actor, right? You're supposed to get out of the business and become Ice Cube.
Well, I saw him different.
LL Cool J is with CSI.
that one looks cool.
Well, there's a subtle difference.
Yeah.
Eminem is still platinum every time he steps out his house.
Oh, he's a good rapper.
So yeah, he's with the exception of guys who aren't here anymore to perform, he's probably the best. And whenever he goes away, when he comes out and speaks, people listen.
You know what?
He's just who he is.
At 44, I think it's the time for him to open up a chain.
Unicorn.
Car washes.
But that's like saying James Brown saying to him, like, rap is still music, and as long as this guy is
Unfinished Symphony.
the album, he's something. This is an interesting dynamic because his fan base, is the same younger base as Trump. So it's an interesting.
That's a good point.
It's an interesting.
That's like too bold.
But the other thing is, he's becoming what he hates,
Yeah.
preaching division, and then
Uncle Bob.
got on there and they just politely or cracked a joke, but let's divide.
Yeah.
So if President Trump side's doing that, you're doing it too. So I mean, you can. It's too bad, but that's the route.
Sticks. I think I like that one.
Division.
What Tyrus is saying, Kat, I think, is that Eminem is now a Huffington Post blogger with rhythm.
Partly. So I'm from Detroit. We all like Eminem. He is a very talented rapper. I will say that was not as catchy as the real Slim Shady at all whatsoever. And I know that
Projects.
support Trump can see something like that and be upset about it, which I understand. But one thing that everyone can be glad about when they watch that is say, oh wow, we live in this great country, because in many, many other countries you would get your heart chopped off for doing something like that. That is true.
Okay, that looks pretty good.
Truly free, the way that we can just criticize our leaders like this. I love the First Amendment and I love the Constitution.
Very good. Obvious applause
Font default. Okay, font default.
The Constitution and they'll clap.
Freestyle rap is tennis without a net.
First of all, you can either choose to rhyme or be logical, and he chose to rhyme.
I still don't see it. Global. Okay, I'm gonna change this to I. Lives. 5.
Yeah, there was none, although it was quite stylishly done, Emily. What do you think?
Global I. Lives. Minus. Oh, I never did drag an object score display on here. That's why it's not working.
I think it also plays into that you're with us and you're
So here's our score.
trying to step away from and to actually be on the spectrum. And I think I'd rather hear from other members of the hip hop community. I'll just say that. Because hip hop and rap have they
What do you hear from me then?
yes.
No, I still don't see it.
Community, although it's quite different, I collect bunnies.
They call him Double T.
Yes. Yes, the hip hop community.
He's not the only member of it, so he shouldn't be.
Object score display. Level 0. That's my object score display. Seems like it has to be... Doesn't it have to be on a separate layer or something? Draw text. 51264 mistake. No. Lives. How do I concatenate? Is it dot or ampersand? Ampersand global dot I lives.
Of dry eye, we need Theratears. Theratears is more than just eye drops. It's eye therapy. Dry eye symptoms are caused by a salt imbalance. Theratears
Game. Oh, I bet it's plus. Game maker concat 10.8.
more than eye drops. Dry eye therapy. Theratears.
String handling and drawing text. Draw set font.
Protecting your home has never been easier.
Over the course of 9 days,
Draw text.
2 miles. That's a marathon. And he does it with Dr. Scholl's. Only Dr. Scholl's has massaging gel insoles that provide all-day comfort to keep you feeling more energized. Dr. Scholl's. Born to move.
Now you can have everything. And your family can too. The 2017 Mitsubishi Outliner with standard third row seating, one of America's safest cost.
It's plus.
24,000. Call now to get $2,000 cash back or 0% APR for 72 months on the 2017 Outliner.
At last, an all-inclusive that truly includes it all.
Crap. What's wrong?
Sandals, the world's only 5-star luxury inclusive.
Oh, but I gotta do like a 2S or something.
Call 1-800-Sandals.
Gotta put string around this. Good grief.
It includes Medicare Part D prescription drug coverage, and it may save you money in so many ways. It's all in this book, and it starts free just for calling. You'll see all the ways the plan might
I
save
still don't see the text. Man,
an estimated
what's going on here?
on average on their prescription costs. And you get all this coverage with an affordable monthly plan premium. And in some areas, no plan premium. Even if you've looked at Humana before, you need to take another look at this plan. We'll send you the decision guide absolutely free. In a slightly smaller size, of course. Discover the all-in-one Medicare Advantage plan that could cut your costs and cover your prescriptions. Call 1-800-372.
Oh, I think there's like a draw. Yeah, draw GUI.
Are too big to miss.
Or maybe it's just draw.
Ion Flex 2X. The freestanding cord-free vacuum
Surprised I remember that.
because it has 2 rechargeable batteries.
That doesn't work. I'm gonna try draw GUI.
Recharge it even while you're cleaning with Duo Clean, Multi-Flex, and powerful suction.
Also need to add a mouse. Hey, there we go. Live's 5.
Welcome to hassle-free runtime with Shark. I am totally blind. In non-20
Okay.
from my days and nights out of sync, keeping me from the things I love to do.
Game Maker mouse down.
242424.
Every night we're going to hit the big issues of the day and some surprising notes. from all
Step.
That means Heartland America, you have a champion. Your voice will be heard. Don't miss the Ingram Angle, premiering October 30th on the Fox.
And keyboard check VK space.
5 p.m. Eastern, we got a
Or
special thanks to
mouse check button. Mouse check button MB left. Is that one too many?
Water's World is on tonight.
I think it was one of the most incompetently drawn deals I've ever seen. We're saying Merry Christmas again. Just fake news by NBC, which gives a lot of fake news.
President Trump takes on the Iran deal, the war on Christmas, and fake news. Dr. Gorka will diagnose.
I'm not doing okay.
Not trying.
You know what? We all make mistakes. Second chance, I hope.
The Harvey Weinstein
Mm.
scandal reaching the top of the Democratic.
So now I can shoot with the left mouse button. 4. So when it hits the wall, lives can shoot. Gets true. Yeah, that doesn't work. OBJ cannon dot canch. So I guess if there's only one instance, you can just reference it right there. Yeah, there we go. So it crashed. If global.I lives less than 0, then was it load room? Load room. Room go to. Room go to. So I need a new room. Rooms. Create room. Room game over. So I'm just gonna put a. Just gonna throw a block on here. Room. Go to Game Maker 2. Can I just room game over? Can I do that? That's not a number, but alright, that's game over. I want to copy. Can I, yeah, duplicate. Move up. So if bullet, if place meeting X, Y, OBJ, goal. Next. Room go to next. So now I need a room winner here. Duplicate. Room winner. So let me grab this. Can I do like a... There's my W. Winner. Game over. Make a big L for loser. So 5, 4. Oh, so that put me back up to 5 lives. That's interesting. The winner, yay! So I really need duplicate room title.
I look forward to fighting you. No holding back here. You give it your all. Right, I intend to.
Just do a T. Create OBJ title menu. Create global.I lives gets 5. So on the title, room title, we want to drag in title menu, and on object cannon we want to get rid of this. Oh, I need a way to get to next room. So on step, want to check for this. Copy. Add event, step, paste. So room, go to next. So now I can, number of lives gets set now. Oh crud. Can shoot is not set. Board. So I don't need can shoot. So if they press either space or left mouse button. Oh no, that's gonna shoot. Why is the font and everything so smooshed? Room title. So I gotta fix all these. 1280 by 720. Room winner. 1280 by 720. Room game over. 1280 by 720. Level 0, that's right. Level 1. Room title. Yeah, so that's kind of messed up. Forgot how I fixed that on my other game. Level 0. If we can shoot.
I don't understand this. What has gotten into it?
Bad. I hope Vegeta isn't going back to the dark side now.
So since I'm holding down, I need to check to make sure it's back up before it can go down. Oh, this is so messed up. Create.
If you quit on me, I will kill you. Enough. I'm ending this now. And once the fight is over, I'm going to blow your stupid planet Sadala to smithereens. But first, I'm going to hunt down and murder, one by one, every last member of your family. For them, it won't be quick. The people of Sadala are innocent. They have Keep yourself busy. Dragon Ball Super will return in a moment.
Why don't you go and do some of that training you love so much?
Okay, cool. Be careful out there.
Toonami's new rundown is ready to launch.
Let there be blood.
Don't you mean light?
Nope.
Dragon Ball Super punches in at 11.
DBZ Kai annihilates 11:30.
JoJo goes platinum at midnight.
Gundam's freshly forged with season 2 of Iron-Blooded Orphans at 12:30. I'm gonna grind you into dust!
Adventures unfold with Hunter x Hunter at 1.
Loop on the 3rd breaks in at 1:30.
So it's like I need to check when I come into the room to see if the mouse has been released.
Ghost in the Shell gets its second gig at 3:30. Next Saturday night from 11 to 4. Here ends the lesson.
Yeah, that's an interesting problem, but I've seen this before. So you're always going to get that first one shot off. Whether you press space or have the mouse held down. So we don't want that. I could just put a delay or something in. Could have like a countdown, get ready or something like that.
Alexa, call Dad. Again.
Calling Dad.
Levels. Start delay gets, what is it, 30 frames a second? 60. if level start delay is greater than 0, level start delay subtract. I wish I could create like a little sub function here. Else. I wish it would automatically format this for me. That would be nice. So now you can hold and it doesn't shoot. I could actually display ready. Actually, I guess there should be a glow. No, it can be a. Just have it on the cannon. Where should this be? I think I want an object level manager. Level manager. So first thing I need to remember is to drag the object level manager on here. I need to also drag it on to. Is it going to have it on there? Yeah, I need one on here too. Crud. Create. Create. Level start delay. So yeah, in this level manager I can handle like the quits and things like that. Create. That way I get it off the cannon, that's kind of a dumb place to put it. And I can do if not obj level manager dot if object manager dot is ready gets false, advent step level start delay is greater than 0, and then we'll subtract off 1. If level start delay equals 0, then is ready gets true, and add draw. Let me go back to score display, grab this, and draw. So, why does that keep... If not is ready, then draw. I wish that would fix the indentation. Ready. Let's make it red. I want to put it at 512, 720, 350, 360. So now it should display ready. Could have it like flash or something. So that way it gives you a little bit of delay. Oh, it doesn't go back to ready. So what I need to do is to go back to the ball. OBJ level manager is ready, gets false. OBJ level manager dot ready, was it ready delay? Gets 60. Level start delay. Level start delay. Oh, I can shoot back to true.
So sorry.
Never forget what you are, damn it. Where is your same pride?
Sand pride, what does that mean?
It means strength.
Yeah, I still can't shoot.
I'll try to make myself stronger, just like you. Not to presume.
Set your sights higher.
You got it.
Not that I would ever let you surpass me.
Oh, why do I have 5 lives again?
You know, the king of planet Sadala is a proud, strong man, much like yourself. In fact, you remind me of him.
That's so. You'll have to introduce us sometime.
Will do.
Duplicate
Lessons to somebody out of the goodness of his heart?
level 1.
Imagine he must miss having his fellow Saiyans.
Wish I could single. I don't know how you go under rename mode.
Wait, I'm a Saiyan. He's got me around. I'm not sure you have the same appeal, Goku. Well, I should hope I do. I certainly like him just fine. That's probably one of the things that annoys him most about you. Huh? What do you mean, one of the things? Our next challenge, taking on the victorious contestant Vegeta, is the final competitor from the 6th universe. The one and only contestant hit.
We only have one fighter left. Is that concerning?
Yes, but our last guy is hit. So no need to worry.
Okay.
After all, he's the best our universe has to offer. The legendary assassin.
I wish I had like an array of levels or something.
I think it might have something to do with the
Um,
fact I promised him the hexahedron if he should
level 0.
You promised him one of those! But it's supposed to be a chariot of the gods! If he gets a hexahedron, he'll be able to go anywhere he pleases, including on
So really what I want is to have this. Can I move this around? Oh, instances. I'm gonna have this like up here. Then I add blocks like around here. I'm sure there's a way to like flood fill blocks. Oops. So I'm going to have something here that changes the trajectory so you can hit this guy.
Up next, we're diving into the Boo Saga on TV.
I don't know if I want to get into that right now. I could do it really quickly. I really need to do a title screen though. See which one starts first, GIMP or Inkscape.
This guy's a villain, so he loves the strategy. This guy has 4 jobs and 12 years, so
Haven't came up with a color scheme. I might do some weird purple. I don't know. I've done purple before. Green. I don't know. Could do green. Neon green. $12.80, $7.20. Okay. Is that sticks?
Stress sweat. It can happen anytime, to anyone. Hey! Stress sweat is different than ordinary sweat. It smells worse. Get 4 times the protection against stress sweat with Secret Clinical Strength.
Package for James Black.
Once you start smoking, the consequences will find you.
Wish there was a way to like have this perfectly centered without too much effort.
The sum above difference is 0.
Let's do neon green.
It's even been called nothing. But when it comes to antibiotics in your turkey, you can't beat 0. 0 is number 1. Jersey Mike's, the sum above. This is energy, a tremendous energy. Previously on Dragon Ball Z Kai.
filter.
Each other 3 paces so you're standing really close again. Shut, make fists, and pay close attention to your leg angles. Ah! Then touch your index fingers and bend like I'm doing. But remember to keep this angle going with your legs. The key is stretching your outside legs.
Is he joking? This looks so weird.
Select grow. That's kind of cool. I can turn this off. If I really wanted to. Crap.
Bye bye, everyone. Goku returns to the next world. No, that's not it. One more time. We're still not there, Yar. Your breathing isn't in sync. We gotta fix that.
Is it just me or is this totally lame? Is that you?
Hey, go again.
Yes, sir!
Ben, you guys are starting to get the hang of it. Come on, keep this momentum going. Don't have much time.
Well, we're out here watching the boys learn choreography. Majin Buu's down there running rampant, causing who knows what kind of trouble.
Yeah. Even if we can fix things with the Dragon Balls, we don't want to see people suffer.
This doesn't seem to be as enough contrast between.
What's wrong with you? I could have run you over. Tough guy. Hey, buddy, you hear me? Hurry up and get out of the way.
I could do this as dark green.
Just when was the last time you looked in a mirror, buddy? Come on. Oh, no.
I can do this. It's dark green. That just looks weird. Actually, I could just delete it. That way, if I have a scrolling background, it will show through this. Oh, that looks kind of cool. Yeah, let's make it. Select this. Select. Select. Grow 32. Okay. Do this light pinky color. I don't know. I could do red. Could do blue. I'll do this pinky color. Edit, fill. Filters. Blur. Gaussian. 64. Select. Grow. 4. Delete. Projects. Crap. Title. File. Titled up PNG.
All right, one more time from the top. Now, stretch out your arms and go. 1, 2,
I want to save this color. Edit, fill. File, save, file, export.
Are you kidding me? This technique's seriously powerful. The metaphors who taught it to me became crazy strong when they did it. How cool is that?
But what'd be really cool is if you showed us how you turn Super Saiyan 3s. I was getting the Dragon Radar, so I didn't get to see you do it last time. Me too. I want to see some Super Saiyan 3. Come on, wouldn't it be a whole lot better for us to learn how to turn Super Saiyan 3 than to waste all afternoon practicing some goofy dance moves? Yeah, if we're Super Saiyan 3, we'll be Phil for sure.
No, you won't. The only way you two can possibly defeat him is if you merge using fusion.
Title background.
You think that's true?
Okay, back to your training. What to do? Fine. Just this once, I'll give you guys a demo of Super Saiyan 3.
Really?
But in return, you gotta work extra hard at your fusion training.
Don't do this, Goku. You'll burn through all the time you have left on Earth.
It's not like I've got that much more time anyway. Okay, you guys. Now, watch closely.
Wow, it's like continually expanding. That's weird. That's strange. I guess it keeps repainting this over and over because there's no background. That's interesting. So really this should be an instance. And really I need to get rid of this. save.
What's wrong? Oh no!
Goku! I'm fine, Piccolo. Don't sweat it. Now, for your end of the deal, let's get back to the fusion training.
Edit, paste as, new image, file, save as, copyright, file, export as, copyright.
Only one who can teach it to them. You have to. Alright. Okay, Trunks and Goten, it's up to you guys now. There's nobody else out there who can defeat Boo and save the world.
1280, 720.
Gigi, you gotta get up, I'm telling you. Wake up.
Render,
Where am I? What happened?
There'll be plenty of
nature, pattern.
any minute now. Goku's gonna be heading back to Otherworld.
He's leaving already? Yes, again!
Line Nova?
To kick back and relax with us while you were here.
Goodbye, Goku.
Goku, I know it sounds funny telling you to take care, but take care anyway. Thanks.
Could like twist this, rotate. Yeah, that might not look right.
What am I gonna do?
Need to be a lot bigger.
Gigi, it won't be so bad.
That looks pretty cool.
You still got Goten, don't you?
Yeah,
File, save as,
why won't
title, BKG, file, export as, title BKG, background.
I think Gohan is safe. He's out there somewhere.
So, sprites, create, spur, title, crap, a spur title, get, edit, imp, no, I want to import, nah, go away, import,
you want one last hug from your daddy, don't you?
title, yes,
Is that right?
spur title,
Say so.
BKG, no, yeah, spur title BKG, import, this, yes,
Oh, okay.
sprite, spur, copyright, import, copyright, PNG, yes. Okay, so now title, room title. Want the background to be spur title that. And then I want to add
Tsunamis will return with more DBZ guide.
OBJ title.
Only knows where they came from. The devil knows why they're here.
And create object. OBJ copyright. So now I need to go to room title. Then I can just drag in OBJ title.
Real meal for $5. Real meal for $5. Real meal for $5.
Hey, that looks pretty good. That looks cool with the starburst, with the fade. Yeah, maybe I don't need the cutout. I don't know. Object copyright. Looks pretty cool. Maybe the background could be a little bit more purpley. I don't know. Darker. Or more value. I don't know. I don't. That part looks really cool right here. This looks kind of.
Ultimate experience on Xbox One.
The green doesn't stand out too well down here.
I built my store with my bare hands.
Maybe this could be a darker purpley.
It means everything to me.
We've decided to tear them down.
Let me get this.
Come and see our remodeled stores when we carry out large retail
Delete this. Wait. Delete. Grab this. Select. Grow. 32. Okay. I want this to be more saturated. Edit. Fill. Filters. Blur. Gaussian. 64. Still seems to be like it needs like a little bit of an outline or something. Maybe I need a green outline.
You realize you have enough food for your guests, but not enough fridge.
At Lowe's, we have more appliances to choose from, so you can get the right one at the right price right now.
Select grow by 2. Let me get the greeny color, darken it up a little bit. Edit, fill. That looks pretty good. File, save, file, export to title. So I wonder if that will automatically import it. Does it auto? No, you gotta re-import it. That's unfortunate. Import. Yes. That looks pretty good right there.
You know, guys, between the Super Saiyan 3 thing and this
Yeah, that looks good right there. So, yeah, I like that. UltraShot.
point where any of us are capable of helping the cause at all.
I think I might just want this in purpley down here. To keep the
Sit on the sidelines and watch the
green focused right here. So let me get this purpley. Edit this. Can I not edit? What? Crap. I'm just going to delete this. $2017 Levi. I need that a lot bigger. D. Smith. So file, save, file, export to copyright. And go back to resources, spur copyright, import, copyright. Yes. Oh, thanks for playing Kitty's Adventure. UltraShot, Levi D. Smith. Yeah, I don't know what the watermelons are, but thank you.
Hey, don't be a stranger. You should drop by once in a while. Bye.
So this is the one where I'm going to have it where something shoots it back up this way.
What's going on? I've never seen it like this before.
Hey, you there. Sorry, you'll have to forgive me. I'm in a rush.
Next in line.
I think I like the green and purple theme. May have to recolor some of these elements here.
Hey, you are taking them, but there's something
I'll make the background purple. Make the ball green.
Just look at the number of dead souls. And they just keep coming and coming.
Whoa.
Well, it's kind of a long story. Actually, there's a decent chance just about every Earthling's gonna wind up here pretty soon.
BKG.
About that, right before this crazy flood of Earthlings started pouring in here, do you by any chance remember
Gradient.
Gohan passing through this place?
Edit.
His son, you see, and he's missing.
Go on. Just a second. The kid hasn't been here.
How do I edit this one color?
Should have been my guess. That's something I'd be sure to remember.
So then, that must mean
I want to edit this.
Yes, however, we did have a real piece of work come in here earlier. Name's Deborah, king of the demon world.
Lock. How do I edit these stops?
Normally I'd send a creep like him directly.
Is there like a gradient editor?
Hell's an awful lot like the demon world. He feel way
Objects.
stand just to mess with him.
that's awesome. Thanks for your help.
That's the gradient editor. How do I edit this? Stops. I want to change this. Why is this so difficult? How do I edit a... Okay. Inkscape. Edit gradient. Okay, I don't need all that. Do I click on this? Oh, you double click on the little nodey thing here. Oh. I want this dark purpley.
Gohan is hard at work, practicing with a mighty sea sword. While at the lookout, the boys resume their fusion training. Hurry, Gohan, Goten, and Trunks. Only you can save the Earth.
Why does it go?
Next Dragon Ball Z Kai.
Oh, there we go. There we go. Save. Background save.
Guess that Stardust Crusaders is up next.
What? Export. So at least I got my little color theme going on here. Okay, I'm taking a break. I'll probably be back either later tonight or in the morning sometime or tomorrow. So, thanks everyone for watching.